and we are starting with our star. After the northern filament eruption yesterday morning, the sun has been relatively quiet. Solar flaring remains at low levels. Solar wind is slightly enhanced due to a coronal hole stream, but not to scary levels, and geomagnetic conditions are equally moderate. But something in the data streams caught our eye, and the eyes of NASA solar science specialists, and upon closer review, we are all very lucky to be online and having electricity at the moment. The story begins with the GOES Proton Flux, which we showed yesterday hitting storm levels due to a far side CME, one that affected the Earth despite not being directly aimed at us. Yesterday, we had said it would wane away, but that didn't happen, and that's an indication that something tremendous did happen. The CME that left the sun 2 days ago, going exactly away from the Earth, and which produced a full halo CME on SOHO coronagraphs, has been clocked at over 3,000 kilometers per second. That is a Carrington-level event, Superflare power. If that had been aimed at us, we would already be suffering powerful geomagnetic storms and possibly a grid-down scenario. We'll never know the flare rating of the far side event because our satellites can't see the opposite side of the sun, but suffice to say, a deep breath or prayer of thanks is warranted at this time. Hopefully it quiets down as the sunspots turn in to face Earth in the coming days, but right now we're heading to the crust where we had a 6.3 earthquake in Papua. Luckily it was a blood echo more than 200 kilometers deep, so surface damage was minimalized. A terrifying story out of the Weather Channel on how extreme snow pileup on gas meters has already caused multiple home explosions in South Dakota. I've never heard of this before, but I'm certainly going to remember it next time it snows big here in Colorado. Clean off those meters.